So it's 11:30 on the 28th of January 2016. Kurt has gone to Stars with David on the bus. Last night I ordered a Papa John's pizza and I had Papa's favourite, which was sausage and pepperoni. And I'll go and get you a bit of the topping in a minute actually. And I also got some garlic bread, and I've just offered Arnie some garlic bread. But he said he doesn't want any. He's being picky. I don't know if it was too hot. It has cooled down, but he still hasn't eaten it. So it's just Daddy and Boy together today. Daddy and Little Monster together. And I love my boy. I love the boy. I love little man. He's just a little man. A little boy. A little monster. He's just a little boy. A little man. A little monster. So, Arnie's around my house today. Normally, when Colette goes out, he stays next door, but you start howling, don't you? Look down. He starts whining. I can hear him whining next door. Stop whining. Once they're going to stop whining. Fed up with the whining. Fed up with the noises. I'm fed up with the pain. And it better not cause me any more pain. I'm a big dog. A big dog does not like pain. Little boy. Little man. Love you, Arnie. Love you so much, Arnie. I love my little monster. So, I might get Colette to get you something from my Wicklow. Maybe some chicken. Is it down? Yeah? Good boy.